Hello, I'm Travis with Technical Prospects. Welcome back to Tech Tips. In this series, we're going to discuss the Somatom Go with Syngo Native, and today we're going to learn where to find our X-ray tube history. First, you have to log into your admin portal. You can sign in either with the username or with your AIAT service key. Here, I'm going to use a login with my service key. Once logged into the admin portal, you'll find your tube history in the upper right. Hovering over the hammer and wrench, you can select Tube History. This is where you'll find information regarding your X-ray tube, number of scan seconds, and date of installation. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just getting started in medical imaging service, this series on the Somatom Go and Syngo Native is designed to elevate your comfort and knowledge of the platform. Click that like, subscribe to our channel, leave me a comment below of any tips, suggestions, or comments. Visit our website at technicalprospects.com and click on that resource tab for more videos like these.